Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make sweet buns. You can enjoy during your tea time with chana roast. It goes very well. So let's get started. For that what we need is overripe bananas, 2 each, 2.5 tablespoon of sugar. You have to mash them. If you don't have a masher, you can use your hands. It's not an issue. Now we need also curd, 4 tablespoon, dahi, and mix it well. You can use a hand whisk also. Now we also need cumin seeds, half a teaspoon, jeera, turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon, and mix it well. Baking powder, half teaspoon, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Guys, this recipe is very simple. You can make this at home. Maida, I've taken 2 cups all-purpose flour. Now make a soft dough. As you have seen, I have not used any water. With the curd, you have to make the dough. So for that reason, I have taken 4 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the dough is ready, just apply oil and cover it and keep it overnight. Now, when you are ready to fry, you have to knead the dough a little bit. Make into portion and keep it ready. See, I've got 7 portion from the 2 cups of flour. Dust flour, and with the help of a rolling pin, just roll it. I check the thickness. You don't have to roll it very thin. Now this is very important. I will show you the thickness. Check the thickness. This is how it should be. Now on one side you have to keep the oil hot. Once the oil is hot, place one and start to fry. Press it gently on all sides and then flip it over in order to fry on the other side. Check this, how lovely it looks, and your buns are ready. Now continue frying all. Check these lovely buns, they are so tempting. You can enjoy this during your tea time. This is very simple, guys. You can make this at home. You only need banana and curd and flour, the main ingredients, and enjoy this at home. This is how buns, sweet buns are made. You can try this recipe at home. Guys, thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family.